Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Vince and today I'm gonna show you something that absolutely blew my mind when I first saw it, that it actually exists. So yeah, I am pretty sure that if you are a Lightroom user and you are using presets, you always wondered how to change the opacity of these actual filters. There is no built-in thing in Lightroom that you can do that with, but there is a free plugin that will do exactly that. So I'm gonna show you how to install that and use that. So let's get straight into the computer. So you have to go to the web and go to capturemonkey.com/thefader. This will be the first link in the description as well, and you have to click on this and download the fader. And yeah, as you can see, I've already downloaded it, and now you can put it into Lightroom by opening Lightroom and going to File, and then click on Plugin Manager and click on Show in Finder. And this is going to open the folder where all your plugins are. And now I'm just gonna paste this plugin here, and as you can see, the fader 18.33.33 LR plugin is there. And now what I have to do is just click Done and then reopen Lightroom so it can actually load the plugin. So now if I want to add the preset to my picture that is not on 100% opacity, then I just have to click on File, Plugin Extras, hit the fader, and then I can pick from you know, these presets. I'm going to use a custom preset from let's say Peter McKinnon, and as you can see now it's on 100% brightness, but now I can actually use this slider to make the preset less strong. So if I put it on, like, let's say 35%, it's actually loading because, you know, it's adjusting all the settings in your development tab to match the kind of percentage that you set here. Yeah, as you can see, now this is how the same preset looks, but it's not that strong anymore. So as you can see, if I press OK and reset this, this is how it looked before. This is how it looks with the preset actually not being on 100%. So I think it's super cool that you can do that, and I'm going to show you another example for that. Let's say this picture, I'm going to use my own preset, which is called Tropical, and I think it's super awesome looking. And if you would actually like to purchase this preset, then you can DM me on Instagram and we will talk about it. I don't have a certain price for it yet. I'm going to give it to you for a very cheap price, but actually I'm planning to create a preset pack and a loft pack as well. So yeah, it's gonna be super exciting. I'm so pumped for that. So as you can see, it looks very cool already because I've designed it to look very good on these moody and you know, just cool forest pictures. But if I want it to be like less strong, then I can go to File, and then I can go to Plugin Extras, the fader, and then click on Tropical, and then just pull it down until like 64, let's say. And I'm gonna put a little bit more exposure on this image, and you can see that the yellows are not that strong anymore, and you can see that this looks very awesome. And yeah, this is what this plugin does. It's very simple, but yeah, it's so essential for my workflow now that I couldn't even live without this. Like, it's that kind of thing that you think that it's not a big deal, but if you actually start using it, it's going to be a game changer. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it, and please subscribe to the channel because I would really like to reach 750 subscribers by the end of this summer, and for that I need your help. So yeah, thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.